Oh, where's that?
Contact 12 right straight ahead of me. He's moving.
Watch your other 12 a little bit to the right. You see him behind the tree?
I got him too. We're not in range.
Yeah.
No.
There's a guy up on top.
I think they're all up on top, buddy.
Well,
They have to be.
Fucking. They're not even trying to move in.
Hi, Mike. Hi.
Hi. Did you shoot him?
I shot right next to him. He got into cover real quick.
Hey, I got a contact over here.
Is he low or is he up?
Low, you see him? He's straight ahead, not 12.
Up top.
He's on the ground. You can barely see him.
Okay.
Where?
I mean, I see that guy up there.
So you got one, and if you look over about 10 feet or so, to his right, to his left actually.
Watch it. He's shooting at you.
No, he's not hitting me.
Well, I don't know if he's coming close, but it looked like it. Hi!
It's a really long stick height. Does it not fit in the top?
Oh no, the battery's hooked up back here. We have it set up back
Hey, right side! I'm not reaching him. I really need to get Type 4 in this thing.
I need to upgrade this. It's not upgraded at all.
Ew.
I really
Had
wish,
it way too long.
I really wish I just had an airsoft place, not a paintball and airsoft.
Right? So there wouldn't be fucking bullshit all over the place. Have you seen the mountain of paint under the middle target? Oh my god. It's a biohazard.
Hey.
Oh, I see someone up there.
Robbie, what the fuck we're doing?
Brandon. I think they're gonna know that it's you. You want to try to move up to that back, to the back of that?
You could try. There's no way in hell you're covering me.
I know. So I'd probably have to go first.
You can go now.
Straight up the hill, it's right there, there's a wall, and we're behind it.
Probably not gonna hit him now. Two guys up there. There's way too much crap in between now.
Hashtag Polar Stars.
Hashtag this game sucks.
I don't want anyone to be right there.
God, Lynn, I hate you.
Look where Patrick got. He got all the way over there.
Did he get out?
Yeah.
Because he rushes.
That's not gonna work.
It is.
Do that again. Do that again.
Did you get it?
No. All right, Robbie, get him. Let me see that real quick.
Oh my god.
Let me see this.
Because why not? Oh, you can shoot the last shot that's in it.
Yes.
I'm just looking for guys right now.
Pop around. I don't want you to have a face.
What?
I want to pop around and not get shot in the face.
Who?
Somebody inside.
Come over here with that sniper. If you look straight up at
Get him, Robbie. Get him.
Give me my sniper.
Get him. What? If you quick scope, I swear to God. What?
Yep.
Already? You didn't get to fully reload, did you?
No, I did.
You move up! My hopper needs to go up.
Stuff on that hill.
I know. Because I know you. There's another guy over there.
See? Now, there's so much crap in the way.
My hopper needs to be turned up. There's just there's so much crap in between us and them.
Dude, they're not hitting
There's just so much crap between us and them.
We flanked her out right. We got a pretty decent amount.
So we can go up there, but they can't come down.
Damn, you know, I was using that fucking area to fucking test my hop up.
Damn it. Now use that. Wait, oh wait, that's probably a good idea. Well.
Out of ammo. Don't pouch.
What?
Come on, let's go.
Oh, I didn't load this bag either.
Good one, Brandon.
This is a bullshit game.
There's too much wind.
Oh, hi there. Wanna come over here and hang out with us? Okay, good luck.
GL.
Oh, come on. What the fuck is going
I
on?
was actually really close to him. Did you see that? What'd you do? The battery dead?
I'm not.